What's up, y'all? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to print orders. I got about 21 orders yesterday, so I thought it would be fun to show y'all kind of how it works. This is gonna be a quick tutorial, but let's get straight into it. So first, everything you need for you to be able to ship out orders, I'll go over that real quick. So you're gonna need a label printer like this. This is a wired one. I recommend getting a Bluetooth one. You're gonna need a computer that you can print the orders from. You're gonna need these, which are the actual labels. Like, these are blank labels. And you can get these for free off of UPS. I'll show you how to do that. And then you're gonna need shipping bags. These are like 14 by 19, I think, or 19 by 14, one of those. You could get different sizes. Like down here, I got super big ones, because sometimes I get like really big orders and they need bigger bags. I think this is like 24 by 24 or something like that. I don't know. Y'all have to look those up, but I got smaller ones too. So like if somebody just orders a beanie, I don't have to use a big bag. I think that's pretty much it. Let me know if I'm missing something. Of course, you need orders too, so you can have something to ship out, you know. Whenever you get an order, this is what it's gonna look like. So you're gonna click on that, and then we're gonna create the shipping label. Make sure that your shipping is already set up. I went over that in my video talking about how to create a website, so make sure that part is set up. Now we're gonna click on create shipping label right here. Usually the customer, for me, they'll select their own shipping, but for orders over $100, I usually give them free shipping and I'll pay for the shipping out of pocket. You would just pick whatever shipping you want to use. I usually go with the cheapest out of UPS or USPS. So UPS is already selected, so I'm just gonna select buy shipping label. And then after that, it's gonna show you the tracking number, and then you can print the shipping label. So you click print. Make sure your printer is connected, which I'll show you how to do that here in a second. Okay, so this is how my printer looks. It's wired. Some of them are wireless. I recommend you get a wireless one. That way you can just connect it through Bluetooth. I gotta use this computer because it has a USB wire and my Mac doesn't have that. So it only works with this computer. So I'm gonna just turn it on. So I got my papers right here, and you can get these from UPS website for free. They'll give you a whole roll for free. I'll show y'all how to get that after I show y'all this part. So now what I'm gonna do is take this and put it inside of there. So I'm gonna open it up. All right, I placed it inside of there. Now I'm gonna turn it on back here. All right, then come over here and click print. And then it'll print all 21 orders. Hey, buddy. He's getting a haircut today. Ain't you? All right, now that that's done, we can take it off. And these are what we're gonna use to ship our orders. So I'm gonna show y'all how I pack. Okay, so to get the labels for free, you're gonna come to ups.com, and then let's go to products and services, business solutions, and then I think it's small business solutions. Shipping tools, get free shipping supplies, order supplies. And then sign into your account with them. If you don't have one, just create one. Okay, then we're gonna select labels and stickers. The ones I get, I think I get the roll 4x6. Yeah, that's the one I get. I get the roll 4x6. We're gonna click update supplies order, and then scroll to the bottom and add selected to your order. And then we're gonna click view your supplies order, and then submit order right here. And that's literally it. You might have to put in your address and all of that if you don't already have an account with them, but since I do, my information is already in here. And I would only order one at a time because they give you like basically 1,000. That's more than enough for one order, and then when you start to run low, just order it again, because it only takes a few days to come in anyway. But yeah, it's that simple to get those shipping labels. And then for the actual label printer, just go on Amazon and get a label printer. Label printer, Amazon. And yeah, you can get any of these, like literally whichever one you want. Just make sure you do your research on the reviews. I'll leave a good one in the link in the description if you don't want to look for one. Yeah, these will take like 1 or 2 days to come in. And then also you can find the bags on here, 14 by 19. That's usually what I like. I feel like that's the best one for shipping clothes like hoodies and pants or shirts. 14 by 19. And here's plenty. This is the one I get. I think a bunch of different sizes. Yeah, the 19 by 24 is the big ones that I had, and then the 14 by 19 is the normal ones. And then the 10 by 13 is the smaller ones. I'll leave these in the description too. But yeah, that's pretty much all you need. All right, so what I do is look and see what they ordered. They got some gray sweats, large. And I know those are back here in the other room, so I'm gonna go back here and get them. Here they are, right here. Take that. Now, right now, I'm giving away a beanie with all my orders for free for like a month. So I'm gonna go in here. It's a bunch of beanies in here. Grab one. We're gonna take that, put it inside of this package with the pants. And then also I like to put this inside the package with the pants. It's like a receipt, you know. Then I'm gonna take my bag over here and put the pants inside the bag and close it up. This is a little time consuming, so usually like if I have a lot of orders, I'll pay one of my friends to come do this for me, or my brother. But I'm chilling right now, so it's all good. I don't mind doing it. This is how it's gonna look. What is this called? Shipping label, the extra label. Somebody's address is on here, that's why I got it covered up. But just put that on there like that, and it's ready to ship. Just take this to the post office, and all you do is drop it off there. Like, you just tell them, I'm just dropping this off. I don't need a receipt or anything, and they'll take it from there. All right, so I got all my orders packed. It took about 30 minutes, and then 2 of them, I realized I didn't have some of the items they ordered. So I gotta email them and let them know. But yeah, now I'm about to go drop these off at the post office and then go work out. And I will record me going to the post office and dropping it off to show y'all like how to do it. But it's so simple. Like, all you do is just take it up there, drop it off. Like, if you're going to UPS, take it to the counter and just tell them, I'm just dropping these off. I don't need a receipt. And then they'll say, okay, thank you. And if you're going to USPS, they actually have a bin where you can just drop it off in there. You don't even have to talk to nobody. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Let me know if y'all got any questions on anything I went over. And also, if you guys don't have a Shopify account, click the link in my description. You'll get Shopify for $1 for 3 months. It's a pretty good deal. So y'all take care though.